Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm gonna unbox and review my couple t-shirt which I bought from Amazon. Let me remove this seal first. And guys, I'll share some of the snaps of this t-shirt which I wore at the end of my video. And here goes my t-shirt. It's from the Dry State men's and women couple cotton mustard and petrol green color round neck full sleeve t-shirts. Quantity will get 2 pack of 2. Guys, since this cloth material is good, after washing also the color will be not faded since I used this for thrice. Cloth is too good and it's of pure cotton. In the tag it's mentioned as more than 1400 plus, but when I bought these 2 t-shirts I got this combo offer for only 590 rupees, but currently it's of 650 rupees. And guys, if I want to say about the size, you'll get with the different combination. For example, I taken as for girl of small size and for boy of medium size, and similarly you'll get with different size like medium, small, small, large, or small, medium, small, 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 yeah, extra large, or extra large or small, like that you'll get with a different combination. And this is the one of men t-shirt, and the net weight is of 510 grams. This is of large size. And the best part of this t-shirt, which looks alluring because of its color, which is of mustard and petrol green color, which looks so attractive. You will get with a long sleeve and round neck, and you'll get a 2 quantity with the dimension of 34.29 cross 27.3 cross 4.4.